Hello, I know that you're looking for advertising specialist and that is why I sent you this resume. My name is Fjerman Katerina. I'm from Ukraine and now I live in San Francisco, California. I've been in advertising field for more than 4 years and that is my main guidelines in my work. First, company growth equal my growth as specialist. First of all, I'm interested in your company growth. I'm very inspired to see how small businesses become market leaders through my work. There's no impossible tasks. I am human and I cannot know everything. So if there are tasks, then be assured that I will do it by myself or I will find a person who will do it for us. Hypothesis A/B test decision. Any hypothesis should be checked and then we can draw conclusions and make a decision on promotion of the project. Every project for me like separate organism to which I find an approach and make every effort to promote it. See below under this video my cases in advertising and I hope to see you soon.